So hello from Green Mopeds. Here's a little overview of the Segway B110 electric moped. It's a lightweight, single-seater, 28-mile-an-hour bike. It has a removable 48-volt, 30-amp-hour battery, which can be charged on or off the bike with the included charger in about 4 hours. The quoted range of it is about 56 miles. It has a QS 1.8 kilowatt motor, which will get you around the city at 28 miles an hour, and you can ride it on a CVT. So the small little rack there is for goods and a little top box. For a bike of its class, it has some quite interesting features. For example, you can start and stop the bike through the smart card or through an app on your mobile phone. It also has cruise control and it has GPS tracking in case it ever gets stolen. It comes in these 5 funky colours, of which this grey and orange is one, and it's only £1,600 in the sale, down from 2,099 plus OTR. So if you'd like to have more information about this bike or arrange a test ride, then please feel free to contact us. Cheers.